Hello word, everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we delve into another essential English word. Today's word is down. So, what does down mean? Well, simply put, down is a preposition that indicates movement from a higher place to a lower place. Think of it as going from up high to, well, down low. It describes direction, specifically a downward direction. It's a very common word, and you'll hear it and use it a lot. We use down in everyday language to describe physical movement, like the ball rolled down the hill, or to indicate a position that is lower than something else, like the book is down on the floor. Now, let's explore some words that have similar meanings to down. These are called synonyms, and they can help you understand down even better. One synonym for down is below. Below means something is lower than something else. For example, the temperature is below freezing. Another synonym is under. Under suggests something is covered or hidden by something above it. For instance, the cat is hiding under the table. A third synonym we can use is beneath, which is quite similar to under but perhaps a bit more formal. You could say, the treasure was buried beneath the sand. And another synonym is downward. Downward specifically refers to the direction. For example, the plane began a downward descent. Now that we've looked at synonyms, let's explore the opposite of down. These are called antonyms. The most obvious antonym for down is up. Up signifies movement from a lower place to a higher place. For instance, the bird flew up into the sky. Another antonym is above. Above indicates something is higher than something else. You could say, the painting is above the sofa. Another possible antonym is over. Over indicates something is positioned higher and often covering something. For example, the clouds are over the mountains. And finally, let's consider ascending as an antonym. Ascending describes movement going upwards. For example, the rocket was ascending rapidly. So, now you know the meaning of down, some synonyms and some antonyms. But how can you use this word in everyday life? Well, down is incredibly versatile. Think about everyday phrases. You might say, I'm feeling down today, meaning you're sad. Or, the price of gas went down, indicating a decrease. We also use it to describe actions like, he sat down on the chair, or she looked down at her shoes. It is used to specify the direction in numerous cases, such as go down the street or the water flowed down the river. Now, let's look at some more examples of down in sentences and phrases. The rain is coming down heavily. She walked down the stairs very carefully. He fell down and hurt his knee. Turn the volume down, it's too loud. I'm going down to the store to buy some milk. The sun is going down. The company is downsizing its workforce. Write your name down on this paper. Let's go down to the beach. I need to calm down. He is always down for a game. Put your hands down. I am down with flu. He is down on his luck. The battery is down. He lives downtown. He is down to earth. To recap, down means from a higher place to a lower place. We explored synonyms like below, under, beneath, and downward. We also looked at antonyms like up, above, over, and ascending. And we saw how down is used in countless everyday situations. So, that wraps up our exploration of the word down for today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show, and it encourages me to keep creating helpful content for you. And as a fun activity, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word down and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy learning, and I'll catch you in the next episode.